The wind chimes are calling out to me like, don't go. Now I think that's a jonquil. Violets. I just love the smell of violet. I don't know what this red plant is, but it's intriguing. I'll have to remember and go back to the other videos I did last spring to see what was here in the circular garden. A better view of grape hyacinth plant. Just breathtaking. They're just like little bluebells. Something unfurling there. I don't know if it's a daylily. Want to get a close-up of these flowers on this little tree. Makes me think of apple blossom, but I don't think so. Cherry blossom? I'll look up at the canopy. I love sometimes bringing a blanket out and just lying under a tree, meditating on the branches. It's spring, early spring 2026. I'm here at the Penwell Ridge Retreat Centre and just looking at a few of the plants. This place, of course, is a certified wildlife habitat. Purple dead nettle there. Apparently it's a good liver tonic and lung tonic. I think that's the daffodil. I always get daffodils and jonquils messed up. And I'll have to look up what this is. Brilliant yellow flowers. It's the afternoon of the first day at the Penwell Ridge Retreat Centre. I just want to show this gorgeous piece of moss.